Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your TikTok account on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete your TikTok account on your phone, first open up your TikTok app and make sure to be logged into the account which you want to delete. For this now, in order to delete your TikTok account from over here, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there is the profile or the profile icon option available for us. Tap on that profile icon, and after you land on the profile section of your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the three lined icon available for us. Tap on that three lined icon and tap on settings and privacy. From over here guys, in order to proceed to delete your TikTok account, tap on account, and at the bottom of the list guys, you can see there is the deactivate or the delete account option available for us. Tap on that deactivate or delete account, and over here again tap on delete account permanently, and you can see guys you'll be required to choose the reason why you want to delete your TikTok account. I'll be just going with another reason for personal. Tap on continue, and over here guys you can also request to download your TikTok data if you want to, but if we're not doing that, tap on this toggle icon or the circle icon where if you tap on the tick mark icon where it says the by continuing you reviewed your data and request wish to continue deleting your account. Tap on continue, and again tap on continue guys, and then your TikTok account will be deleted. As it says guys, it will be deactivated for 30 days, but after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. And guys, this is how you delete your TikTok account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.